Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Worried about retirement? Concerned about your children's financial future? We have the answer. Unlock the secrets to financial freedom with property investment. Welcome to Wealth Through Property Mastery, your gateway to financial prosperity. Here is what you'll learn when you enroll in our comprehensive property investment course. Discover proven strategies to build wealth through property investment. Learn from industry experts and avoid costly mistakes. Uncover the secrets to generating passive income and growing your wealth exponentially. Gain the knowledge and confidence to take control of your financial destiny. Do any of these appeal to you? Invest in your future today for a fraction of the potential returns. Sign up now. Meet your course presenter, Damien Patterson, a real-world entrepreneur and leading authority in property investment. Damien left a successful career as an Army officer in the Australian Defence Force to pursue his passion for helping others invest in property. Hundreds have already transformed their lives through our course. Meet the real people who turned their dreams into reality. Don't miss out. Enroll now. Unlock the door to financial freedom and start your journey towards wealth and success.